Meaning of feather-brained.
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 Feather-brained. Feather-brained is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who was considered frivolous, scatterbrained, or lacking in serious thought and judgment. It carries a negative connotation and suggests that the person is flighty, impulsive, and easily distracted. This term is often applied to individuals who appear to lack common sense or the ability to focus on important matters with any degree of seriousness. Essentially, it implies that a person's thoughts and actions are as light and insubstantial as feathers, indicating a lack of intelligence or depth.